Alrighty, in this video, it is all about how to use Zoom in the bedroom. Wait, what? Oh my goodness, no. I mean like this. I'm Patricia Kelikani, an Emmy Award winner showing you how to make amazing videos so your business can make more money. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell.
All right, I gotta work in the bedroom.
I totally get it. Your kids are home. You're thinking, where in the world do I record? My bedroom is the quietest spot there is.
Let me know when that email comes in on your inbox, and then there should be a URL on. Let me know when you're ready.
So you're probably gonna find like your nightstand or dresser to put your computer on. But the problem is then your bed is probably gonna be in the shot like it is now. And then it's just kind of awkward. Like inviting your students into your bedroom or inviting your customers into your bedroom, that's pretty much what you're doing. I know, it's creepy. Okay, check this out. First thing you wanna do is open up all your windows in the bedroom and let as much sunlight as you can inside. Next, enter the laundry basket. Put that baby right on top of your bed. The dog is optional. Next, grab your laptop, place it on top of that laundry basket, and this is what it looks like. It's not super obvious you're in your bedroom. There's no bed in sight. Instead, you're enjoying your super comfy bed. And you can totally change into like pajamas, at least on the bottom. I like to say professional on top, pajama party on the bottom. Okay, so what if you need your actual desk in your bedroom and put your home office in your bedroom? All right, this is what we did for my husband because he had to do that. And let's check it out. Welcome to my husband's office. Okay, so what we did first is we put him in front of this window, and that way when he's on Zoom calls or like Microsoft Teams, Google Hangouts, all that stuff, like he looks good. Can
you go to the download site in order to download the VPN client and let me know when that's done?
Okay, all right, I'll start typing in there. One sec.
And if the sun gets a little too bright, he can just close those shutters. I gave him one of my soft boxes so he can like bounce the light off of that. You can check out the video experience blueprint for more tips. And to avoid this up the nose shot and the random bathrobe shot in the background, we have a laptop stand that he can put it up on that stand. It's now eye level and it's angled so that you can't see the bathrobe lady. That's me.
All right.
All right, when it's done in...
I'm looking it now.
All right, let me know when you're ready for the info to enter on those fields of...
Okay.
We also changed up his background. So first up is we had this lovely picture up here, but it just looked like way too girly for his taste, and he was a little embarrassed to meet with his guy coworkers. So we put this picture up instead. And then this beautiful wedding photo of us just kind of gave it away that we were in a bedroom, or he was in a bedroom.
Okay.
Go ahead and click on that link.
Okay, I clicked on the link and
yep.
Opening.
And so instead, I gave him this plant to put there instead. And that way it isn't like a dead giveaway that he's in a bedroom. Because you know how like, people put like the romantic pictures of themselves in their bedroom, and it just didn't really fit. And third up is this alarm clock. It's like a dead giveaway.
What? I'm having a hard time hearing you. What?
We want to disguise the fact that we're in a bedroom.
I'm gonna go to a different room, okay? Because I have to get this. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go to a different room because I can't do it here, okay?
You got it.
And just so you guys can see how close his office is to our bed, let me move the camera. There you go, right there. Isn't that just wonderful?
Okay, the spinning thing's done, and it looks like I can log back in. Let me, okay, all right. Yeah, okay, I logged back in. Can you see me now? Am I good?
Hi.
Hi. Is your daddy there? Can you open for me?
Oh, crap. Yeah, is the install done?
Hey, got it. Yeah, spin. Working.
Move. Okay, so bye. Daddy's working.
And just a short message to my husband's boss, he really doesn't sleep during the day. I totally just asked him to do that for like 30 seconds today just for this quick video. And really it's actually after hours. It's like 7:30 right now. So he doesn't do that.
Your arm is in the shot.
Okay, you know,
My arm is in this shot. Thank you.
I'm on a hard, what? Go on, Cleo, just think this could be the Academy Award. You've got to keep going.
Shaka!
Chrissy walked in the shot, is that a problem?
No, that's fine.
It looks like you walking in the shot.
Woohoo! Guys, thanks so much for watching. And remember, you can grab my mini course, the Video Experience Blueprint, so that way you can create just as good of an experience with a video as you do in person. If you liked this video, I would love it if you clicked that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And comment below, where are you working? Is your office in your bedroom? Is it, or maybe in a different room? All right, let me know. Can't wait to see you guys next time.